Okay, question number 25. Right. A diffraction grating with 6000 slits, value of n is given, is used to resolve two spectral lines. Okay, a mean wavelength of the lines is 500 nanometer. Wavelength under wavelength difference is also given. So this will be your delta lambda. Now this is your delta lambda is given, and this value is nothing but lambda. This is also given. So what is the minimum order at which the diffraction happens to resolve these two lines? Which formula will you use? You will use the formula lambda by delta lambda is equal to m times n, right? So what is lambda here? Lambda is 500. Let me substitute all the values. 500 divided by 0.050 nanometer here. This is also nanometer. So therefore no issue, need not convert anything. I can directly cancel, which should now be equal to m. I do not know this value of m, and n, which is 6000. 6000 is already given to you. So therefore 00 here, 00 here. Cut this. So I get the value of m should be equal to, so this should be 5 ones are here. This should be 1 by 0.01 multiplied by, where is it? My cursor sometimes it's lagging behind, multiplied by 60. Okay, when I do this, what do I get here? So this is 1 by 100 and this is 60. So automatically this will be 1 by 0.6. So how much will this be? If you take the calculation, where is it? Let me take my calculator. So this should be 1 divided by 0.6, comes out to be 1.67. So 1.67. So this is your 1.67, which is closer to 2. Which is closer to 2. Okay. Thus the answer is 2 here. So sets answer is B over here.